Hi everyone. Today, we'll show you how to recover a lost folder from your desktop on Microsoft Windows. If you accidentally deleted or misplaced an important folder, don't worry. We'll walk you through how to find it or restore it. First, open your Documents folder. Next, we need to check if the folder is hidden. Go ahead and enable Show Hidden Items. This will reveal any folders that may be hidden. Once you turn this on, hidden folders will appear. Now, head over to the search bar at the top of the Documents window. Type in the name of the folder you're looking for. If you remember the name, enter it here. A list of results will appear, and your folder should be shown there. If the folder was deleted, we can try using System Restore. Click Start and type Restore, then select System Restore. Once System Restore runs, your computer will go back to an earlier state where the folder existed. We can also check the Recycle bin. Take a look to see if the folder is there. Open the Recycle bin and look through its contents. If you find the folder, right-click on it and select Restore. This will bring back any deleted items to their original location. After restoring, you can copy and paste it wherever you need it. And that's all there is to it. We've now know how to recover a lost folder from your desktop. Hopefully, your important files are back where they belong.